How to delete your Uber trip history. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Vesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your trip history on Uber. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your trip history on Uber, it's quite simple. You're gonna first open up your Uber application there. On your account now, once you open up the app, what you want to do is at the bottom you can see four different menus, that is home, services, activity and account. You can simply head into activity option, and if you have any trips, it'll show up here. Now if you tap on the particular trip, unfortunately I don't have any trip here on Uber, but if you do have one, if you tap on that particular trip and if you scroll down, and there you'll find the option to delete, you can simply click on delete and you'll be able to delete it. So this way you can delete your trip history on Uber basically. Or the other way, if you don't get the activity option at the bottom, you can head into account option at the bottom right corner, and then you can head into activity as you can see there on the screen, or you might get the trip option instead of the activity option there. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.